What got me interested in biotin was I came into the clinic and I saw the girls zooming like bees. They had all this energy, and I was like, whatever you guys are on, I want some. And they giggled. And then Rincones told me about HRT, the hormone replacement therapy. And she told me all the benefits about it. I didn't know about premenopause. My mom never talked about menopause. So when she was explaining to me why I was feeling the way I was feeling, I was like, but I'm too young for menopause. Like, that's crazy. Like, that's when you're 50. But yes, I was premenopausal. I did have a little bit of depression, gaining weight, acne. So those are the things that really made me desperate. And that's why I went with the treatment that she recommended. She also recommended biotin for my migraine headaches. When I wasn't on biotin, smells would factor my migraines. Now I can be around my husband who wears cologne. The migraines were debilitating. I was constantly going to the doctors to get shots, trying new treatments. My hair was falling out. She said this would be very beneficial for you. And if it doesn't work, we'll go to another option. That's what I love about Cheyenne. It's always patience, health before profit. She will not push something that she does not believe in. But it has been a blessing in my life. It's given me energy. It's cleared up my acne, I feel. Weight loss, the energy. I feel like I can do everything. Like, you're young again. It like revives you. Do I sleep? Yes. I do sleep a lot better. I don't wake up every 5 minutes. Like, I sleep. It's amazing. I love this. I feel like it's changed my whole entire life. Try it once. See what happens. It's gonna change your life. You will be a patient for life.